Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this CUQI 7-inch touchscreen. It's a monitor for Raspberry Pi. It's a portable IPS display, HDMI with 1024 to 600 pixels. It's a touchscreen with acrylic case. Second monitor for gaming consoles, for personal computer, for the camera, for Windows or other devices out there. The improved design 7-inch touchscreen version is strong compatibility and a drive-free USB display. When the 7-inch touchscreen is used with Raspberry Pi, it supports Raspbian, Ubuntu, Windows 10 IoT. When used as a computer monitor, it supports Windows 10, 8, and 7. We have an HD quality screen display. The IPS 178 degrees full view screen with HD 1024 to 600 high resolution, stable work and anti-interferences, bright saturated images, high color reproduction, wide viewing angles, the fast response speed, accurate color reproduction, and an image to 4:3 or 16:9 display format conversion. It has a small dimension design. It's portable to carry, which makes us able to work and entertain while traveling or on a business trip. The protective case has the function of the protected and fixing the screen. The stand can adjust it at any angle at the screen to provide convenience for our work and leisure. And capacitive touchscreen design. It supports a 5-point touch function, smooth touch experience, and a sensitive touch. Comfortable, fast, and accurate. No mouse and keyboard operated required. This is ideal for a Raspberry Pi DIY project. It supports Raspberry Pi 4, Raspbian, Ubuntu, Kali, Windows 10, 8 and 7, Windows 10 IoT. The smooth touch experience and a sensitive touch, comfortable, fast, and accurate. So he does not need mouse and keyboard. And with the capacitive touchscreen technology, we can capture the most accurate scale with our fingertips. The screen uses advanced technology to restore the original visual experience in the high-resolution texture. We have a size of 7 inches, a resolution of 1024 to 600. The interface comes with HDMI and USB. The type of the backlit is a light-emitted diode. The power consumption is 0.84 ampere for 5 volt. The viewing angle is 178 degrees IPS screen. The dimensions are 164.9 to 124.27 millimeters, and it supports Raspberry Pi 4, 3, 2, 1, 3B+, BB, Banana, P, or Pi, Windows 7, 8, 10, personal computers, Macintosh, Mac, and Microsoft devices. We have a 7-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen with 1024 to 600 high resolution. For example, for gaming, this is a gaming mini monitor because we have an image of 4:3 or 16:9. This format conversion, and it will offer us an excellent gaming experience with the Switch or Xbox or PlayStation. That's possible to pair them easily by wire too. And of course, that's plug and play. A wide compatibility with Windows and Mac operation systems are driver-free. Plug and play, baby. We connect a 7-inch screen touch interface with a Raspberry Pi 4 USB interface with a micro USB to USB cable. Or we connect a 7-inch screen HDMI interface with a Raspberry Pi 4 micro HDMI interface with micro HDMI to HDMI cable. And of course, we should make sure that we have the correct cable connection. And then it will be plug and play, baby. Easy peasy. We will get all what we need. The 7-inch screen, the case, the micro USB to USB cable, a micro HDMI to HDMI cable, a micro HDMI to HDMI adapter, and a small screwdriver. So you can see that's easy peasy to make a nice extra small 7-inch touchscreen monitor for a Raspberry Pi, or as consoles, personal computers, camera, and so on. Additional device by CUQI. Thanks for watching. Hey, please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.